Get in the grass. Yes!
Oh.
That was a good honk. Come on! Single honk! Those are these strangers. Who are you?
Well, make him honk. Make him.
I'm not a stranger. Who are you? Liam.
Liam.
Me.
Whoa.
I'm not going to be over here for very long. There was a lot of honks!
Yeah.
Can I see the video? Brady? Yes, that's one of those trucks!
Where's the other one? Remember there's another one?
You know what? I don't know.
Maybe it'll come soon. I don't know.
But you know what?
Huh.
Well, when we weren't on the beach yet, we saw a lot of seagulls. But here's the best part.
Huh.
I'm on the biggest bridge!
Yeah.
Huge bridge! Okay, keep walking! Keep walking! Let's do it again! Good for volleyball!
Give her bonbon, boy. That's a massive truck.
Hey, Brady,
Yeah.
let's sit down and talk about the beach, okay? Let's sit down and talk about the beach.
Yeah.
Or dingo.
That was a nice truck horn, bro.
Yeah. 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 You know what, Brady?
Huh.
You know how big the bridge was?
Huh. Huh. Please honk, bro. Hopefully you know what that means, bro. Hopefully this truck knows what that means. A lot of dump trucks are max. That's what I noticed. I heard you. Whoa.
Stay in the road. Stay.
What's wrong with the light?
Make him honk.
Well, what do you think we're gonna do?
Dingle honk. I love when trucks honk, right?
Yeah. Oh no cat. Of course you do.
Dingle honk.
Oh yeah.
Yay! It was so funny, right, Brady?
Yeah.
Dance.